Welcome. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to block emoji from comments on the Facebook app for PC using the latest update. If you're tired of seeing random or spammy emoji flooding your comments, this quick guide will help you hide them instantly. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're on the main page, move your cursor to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the list, then click on Settings. This will take you to Facebook's main settings page where you can control everything about your account and privacy options. On the left side of the screen, look for Profile and Tagging and click on it. This section lets you manage how others interact with your profile, including who can post or comment. Now, scroll down and find the option that says Hide comments containing certain words from your profile. Click on it. A text box will appear, allowing you to type in words, phrases, or emojis that you want Facebook to automatically hide from your comments. From the text box, click on the small emoji icon to open the emoji panel. You can now choose the exact emoji or multiple emojis that you'd like to block. For example, if you often get spammy faces, hearts, or random symbols, this is where you can add them. Once you've added all the emojis you want to filter out, press enter to confirm them. Then, click Save to apply your new settings. That's it. Facebook will now automatically hide any comments that include the emojis you selected. It's a simple but powerful way to clean up your comment section and keep things looking professional. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more easy Facebook tips and updates. Thanks for watching.